Hey there, business owners! Want to boost your product visibility and reach more local buyers? Selling on Facebook Marketplace through your business page is quick, easy, and free. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, log into your Facebook account and head to the Marketplace tab on the left-hand side. Click Create New Listing and choose the type of listing that fits your product item for sale, vehicle, or home. Upload high-quality photos that clearly show off your product. Clear images attract more clicks. Add a catchy title, set a fair price, and fill in the details like category, condition, and a short but compelling description. Enter your business location to help Facebook match your listing with nearby buyers. Once done, publish your listing and you're live on Marketplace. Engage with messages quickly and watch the sales roll in. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.